and welcome to the Royal Holloway Psychology Department Moodle Tour. My name is Isabella Neergaard, and I'm here to give you a general understanding of how Moodle looks and works. The best way to access Moodle is to simply Google RHUL Moodle. This will take you to this page where you can find all the most important information, such as the My Courses page and, more pressing, the Login button. To log into Moodle, you must be aware that you should use your Royal Holloway email and download the Microsoft Authenticator if possible. Each login will prompt a security response to your authenticator, which allows you to access your personal Moodle page. Once you've logged in, you'll see the main page. Normally, you'll be able to see all your modules for your first term here, but as it's still not quite term time, mine are not available yet. Remember that when term begins, you should double check that you can access and view the pages for all your Term 1 modules. For now, I can give you a little bit of a sneak peek into PS 1030, which is one of our first year undergraduate modules, so you can see what it looks like. When you click onto a module page, you'll be presented with the timetable and essential information at the top. This shows you what is being taught each week and which lecturer is teaching that topic. The rest of the module page is broken down into clickable areas that are easy to navigate. In the general module information, you'll find things like the module outline and links to the essential readings, plus other useful information for the module. In the forums and support section, you'll find links to staff drop-in hours and also a forum where you can ask questions about lecture content or your assignments. If we look at the assessment details and submission section, this is where you'll find your important assignment information. It contains a link where you need to upload and submit your assignment before the deadline, and is also where you access your feedback when it is available to view. This page will also normally contain a lot of support for writing your assignment. For example, here the lecturer has provided a document on how to write academic essays, and also a link to the YouTube channel The Psychology Debrief, which provides videos about essay writing. Ensure you check out these and other things your lecturer makes available to you to help you in your assignments. If we return to the main part of the module page and look further down, you'll find the information for each lecture, including the lecture slides and relevant reading list. We can't click on this right now, but it will become available in the lead up to your lecture each week. Finally, remember that your lectures are recorded, so if you're ill and missed a lecture, you can listen to the recording to catch up. To access this, you'll need to look in the right-hand side and scroll down to the section labelled Replay. In this part, you'll normally find your available lecture recordings. These will be available to view about 48 hours after a lecture has finished. Hopping back onto the main page, you'll see that there are loads of pages available for students to view. I shall take you to the most relevant ones so that you can avoid feeling overwhelmed when starting at Royal Holloway. If you click on here, this will take you to the Welcome Week page. On here, you can find all essential information that you need before the start of term. This page will give you an overview to all the key things you need for starting out at Royal Holloway. We will then click back onto the main page through the My Courses button to access the student information page. On here, you'll find a lot of the essential information about your degree, such as the handbook, marking criteria, assessment deadlines, exam information, as well as information for each year group or postgraduate degree. There are also links referring you to the support Royal Holloway offers and events going on in the department. It's a great page to become familiar with, and is really one of the most important ones on Moodle and should be your go-to for any general information you may need. Once again, we click back onto the main page, this time to access the personal tutoring and support page. On here, you'll find a lot of information to support you in your studies. This includes how to apply for extensions or extenuating circumstances, or financial, academic or well-being support. This is also where you go if you're an undergraduate student looking to book a meeting with your personal tutor. Your personal tutor is your point of contact for anything you aren't sure about. So if you need some advice or are unsure about something, then go here and book a meeting with them. Hopping back a final time, we visit the Psychology Careers page. On here, you can find any and all important information on how to apply for jobs and bursaries within the department, where to secure a placement or volunteering position, and in general, all good things for your CV. Also found on the main page is CDAS. This is the university's general support hub for academic writing. On here, you can book one-to-one meetings, find academic resources, and in general get help with academic work. So, if you feel like you would need some additional support on your writing, then consider checking this out. As a psychology student, you should click on the section that says for the School of Life Sciences and the Environment, which is the school that psychology belongs to. The library page is yet another hub from the main page you should look at before starting university. It is here you will find important information on how to use the online system Library Search, how to borrow books, and lots more. Finally, before we conclude this tour, as you progress into new years of study at Royal Holloway, you will still be able to access your old assignments and Moodle pages by clicking this button here. This will direct you to the old version of Moodle, where you will once again be prompted to sign in using the authenticator. And that is it from me. I hope you have enjoyed our little tour of Moodle and that you feel comfortable using it this coming academic year. At first, it can be a little daunting, but don't worry, in a few weeks you'll know exactly what you're doing.